Karnataka's rupees 1600 fee for PUC mark card corrections sparks student protests. CBSE exposes CGPSE recruitment scam. Ex-chairman accused of nepotism and corruption. Ahmedabad youth wins $5,000 sports scholarship in the US. OBC PhD students struggle as fellowship funds delayed for nearly a year. Schools announce closures across the US due to severe winter weather.
Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Arya Vidya and today's top education news are: the Karnataka School Examination and Evaluation Board's decision to charge rupees 1,600 for second PUC mark card correction has sparked outrage among the students and parents. The All India Democratic Students Organization AIDSO labeled the fee daylight robbery, emphasizing that corrections are a basic responsibility of the board. AIDSO State Secretary Ajay Kamath condemned the move, citing it as a unique financial burden on economically struggling families. The student body called the state government to revoke the fee and restore the earlier practice of the fee corrections. The decision has drawn widespread criticism for stressing students and parents already grappling with economic challenges. The CBI has filed a charge sheet in the Chhattisgarh Public Service Examination recruitment scam, accusing ex-chairman Thavan Singh Sonwani of manipulating exam guidelines and leaking question papers to favor his nephews. Sonwani allegedly colluded with CGPSE's officials and Sri Bajrang Power and Ispat Ltd's Shravan Kumar Goyal, misusing CSR funds to receive kickbacks. Question papers for the 2021 exams were leaked to select candidates, including Sonwani's nephews as DSP and deputy collectors. Question papers for the 2021 exams were leaked to select candidates, including Sonwani's nephews as DSP and deputy collectors. Over Rs 45 lakh were funneled through an NGO controlled by Sonwani's family. The investigation covering other allegations, including assistant professor recruitment malpractice, is ongoing. 7 individuals, including Sonwani and Goyal, have been arrested in the scam. Ahmedabad's Nizar Patel, an undergraduate biological science student, has secured a $5,000 per semester scholarship for his inclusion in the sports team at Fisher College, Boston. Encouraged by his gamer father, Patel began gaming in class 6 and continued during his board exams to relax. After starting his studies at the University of Illinois, Chicago, he discovered organized sports with teams, coaches, and managers. Following his transfer to Fisher College last semester, Patel immediately sought out its sports team, leading to this achievement. Patel's journey highlights the growing opportunities for students globally in sports. PhD students from the OBC category in Telangana are facing financial distress as the center has delayed the release of the National Fellowship for other backward class funds for 9 to 10 months. Recipients who rely on Rs 50,000 monthly support, including stipends, HRA, and book allowance, now face several debts, impacting both academic and personal expenses. Sai Krishnan from the University of Hyderabad reported debts since March 2024, while Osmania University's Satya Nelli noted 20 affected students there alone. Students claim only the OBC fellowship faces delay, while SC/ST scholarships are timely. They urge the government to streamline disbursements to ensure academic pursuits and livelihoods are not compromised. Extreme winter conditions, including freezing rain, snow, and sub-zero temperatures, are prompting school closure across several US states early next week. Districts in Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, and South Carolina are taking precautionary measures to ensure safety. Alabama schools, including Baldwin County and Mobile County, are monitoring conditions with some announcing closures for January 21. Louisiana districts have confirmed closures with some shifting to virtual learning. In Texas, San Antonio districts will decide on closures by early morning, while South Carolina schools plan to update by January 20. These closures follow the Martin Luther King Jr. Day on January 20, 2025, highlighting ongoing disrupts caused by the harsh winter weather. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Arya Vidya. For more such detailed news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.